NCERT problem number 3.5 from class 11th physics. At room temperature 27 degrees centigrade, the resistance of a heating element is 100 ohms. Now, when the temperature is increased, the resistance value increases to 117 ohm. And if we are given the temperature coefficient of the material, then we need to find out the temperature at which that value increases to 117 ohm. So we know that if we heat a resistor, then its temperature increases. Let us say RT is the resistance of a resistor at temperature T, and it was initially R0. We are going to write down the formula for the resistivity of the material, and we don't need to memorize it. If you follow the way it is being done, it will be very easy to write it down and you don't need to memorize. That is what I am trying to do. RT minus R0 is the increase in the resistance because of the increase in the temperature. So RT minus R0 divided by R0 will be the relative increase in the resistance. What is the increase in the resistance value for 1 ohm of the resistance? That becomes the relative increase in the resistance value. Now the temperature coefficient is defined as the increase in the resistance value for 1 ohm of a resistor for every degree centigrade increase in the temperature. Now that is very easy to memorize. This equation is also written sometimes as in this format, which gives the resistance value at temperature T because of the increase in the temperature from T0 to T. And it is nothing but a resimplification of this formula from this. Alpha into T minus T0. Take this T minus T0 here, and then you get RT divided by R0 minus 1. R0 by R0 is minus 1. If you take this 1 on the other side, it becomes 1 plus alpha into T minus T0, and then multiplied by R0, you get the value of RT. Now all you have to do is put the values of these things. RT, we are going to use this formula, which seems to be easier to calculate. Alpha is given in this problem, the temperature coefficient 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4. So 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 4 in this formula. And then RT minus R0, we know that the resistance increased from 100 ohm to 117 ohm. So the increase in the resistance is 17 ohm, and for every 1 ohm the increase is 0.17. So 17 by 100 gives the increase in the resistance value, increasing the resistance value. And now 1 divided by T minus 27, we need to find the value of T. So we take T minus 27 on this side of the equation, bring this thing here on the right hand side. We get T minus 27 is 17 by 100 divided by 1.7, and then if 10 to the power minus 4 comes on the right hand side, it becomes 10 to the power plus 4. 17 divided by 1.7 is 10. 10 to the power 4 multiplied by 100 is 100, which is 1000 plus 27 this one. So the new temperature is 1027 degree centigrade.